The crypto top headlines covered in this video are: Ripple Chief Legal Officer says SEC is losing in court. Next, JPMorgan tests tokenized portfolios with Avalanche blockchain tech. Also, Tether plans major expansion into BTC mining with $500 million investment. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: Ripple Chief Legal Officer says SEC is losing in court. In a recent tweet, Ripple's Chief Legal Officer, Stuart Alderoty, asserted that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission was losing in court and being criticized by judges for shady behavior. Alderoty also stated the SEC was being rebuked by the government's internal auditor and hiding information about meetings with a felon. Alderoty suggested that SEC Chair Gary Gensler had become the insolent Colonel Jessup, a reference to the character Colonel Nathan Jessup from the film A Few Good Men. In response, Bill Morgan, a lawyer and digital asset enthusiast, replied to Alderoty's tweet with a GIF labeled, "Is there a problem, people?" The SEC originally filed a suit against Ripple Labs and two of its executives in December 2020. Ever since, numerous developments have happened regarding the prolonged lawsuit. Attorney James K. Filan stated that Judge Annalisa Torres has established the timeline for the remedies, discovery, and briefing associated with the case. Several procedural rulings have gone against the SEC during the pretrial phase. These include being ordered to reveal internal SEC communications that discuss Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP. Furthermore, the regulatory agency faced accusations of improper conduct and irrelevance in the cryptocurrency space from major industry players, including Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong and prominent crypto lawyers, including John E. Deaton. Our next top headline: JPMorgan tests tokenized portfolios with Avalanche blockchain tech. JPMorgan Onyx also tapped Acceler, Provenance Blockchain, and Oasis Pro for its recent Project Guardian pilots. JPMorgan blockchain arm Onyx has collaborated with a suite of industry startups to create a proof of concept that could show how tokenization can help better manage financial assets. The tests were carried out under the Monetary Authority of Singapore's Project Guardian and was designed specifically to enable fund managers to tokenize their portfolios on chosen blockchains. Wealth managers could also purchase and rebalance their positions across these different interoperable blockchain networks. The blockchain stacks chosen for this proof of concept include Provenance Blockchain, JPMorgan's own Onyx digital assets, and Avalanche. Cross-chain communication protocol Acceler and issuance/trading platform Oasis Pro also contributed to the initiative. It is important to note that these transactions were done in a permissioned manner, meaning access was limited to a select few participants on private blockchain networks. So, the transactions won't show up on public chain explorers such as AccelerScan, MintScan, or SnowScan, though example transactions are detailed in a recent JPMorgan and Apollo report. Galen Moore, Global Communications Lead at Acceler, told Blockworks that Acceler created a permissioned instance for connecting different chains by modifying its existing cross-chain configuration so that it was in alignment with the privacy and access management requirements set by the proof of concept. The purpose of this Project Guardian was to demonstrate a system that would allow a portfolio manager to manage a large number of discretionary portfolios comprising tokenized assets across multiple blockchains, Moore said. In that, it was successful. It is uncertain whether public chains or mainnets will be involved in future deployments, though in this case, JPMorgan has been actively exploring possibilities in the blockchain technology space. Also, for Project Guardian, JPMorgan processed tokenized foreign exchange trades on Polygon's mainnet last year via a modified version of the permissioned DeFi platform AVAX. Most recently, it gave institutional clients more programmability over its payment offerings on its blockchain-based accounts with the JPM coin system, allowing users to set parameters around payments based on different requirements. The bank has also been exploring on-chain digital wallets, allowing users to store and control digital identity on its platform. Consistent with the goals of Project Guardian, we believe our POC is a critical moment at the intersection between traditional finance and blockchain technology, JPMorgan wrote in a report. We view our contribution to Project Guardian as the first step of a journey into the complex business of delivering higher quality discretionary investment portfolios in a thoughtful and efficient manner to improve the end investor's experience and results. Our next top headline, Tether plans major expansion into BTC mining with $500 million investment. Tether has ambitions to reach 1% of BTC mining computing power under new CEO Paolo Ardoino. New facilities in South America will be part of the push. Tether is planning a large-scale expansion into Bitcoin mining, according to Paolo Ardoino, who is expected to take the helm at the company soon. The stablecoin firm may spend around $500 million in the next 6 months on the construction of mining facilities and investments in other miners, Ardoino told Bloomberg in an interview. The company will build mining facilities in Uruguay, Paraguay, and El Salvador as it grows its computing power to 1% of the BTC mining network. The new sites would have a capacity of between 40 and 70 megawatts, he continued. The mining investment includes part of the $610 million debt financing facility extended to German miner Northern Data Group that Tether announced at the beginning of the month. The loan was in line with a pattern of rising loans made by Tether this year, which already made a strategic investment in Northern Data Group in September to back artificial intelligence initiatives. Ardoino further said Tether expects to amp up its direct mining operations to 120 megawatts by the end of the year and reach up to 450 megawatts by the end of 2025. The company is also considering a 300 megawatt facility and is setting up its facilities inside containers that can be moved when electricity prices change. Ardoino said in the interview, "Mining for us is something that we have to learn and grow over time. We are not in a rush to become the biggest miner in the world." Ardoino will become Tether's CEO in December and will retain his position as Chief Technical Officer of parent company Bitfinex, according to plans announced in October. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.